When considering the purchase of an ironworker, the choice is clear. Edwards. Offering the broadest range of ironworkers in the world, Edwards has the answer to significantly increase your productivity. Handcrafted in America by skilled craftsmen, the Edwards Ironworker brings total flexibility to your shop. The 50-ton Ironworker with the exclusive PowerLink system is engineered for small to medium fabrication shops. Equipped with 4 workstations, the 50-ton Ironworker comes standard with a flat bar shear, angle shear, coper notcher, and a punch station that can be converted after purchase with 11 optional attachments to fit your specific needs. In standard configuration, the 50-ton is capable of punching holes in mild steel from 1/8 inch to 1 1/16 inch and accepts round, square, oblong, hex, metric, and custom punch shapes for all your punching needs. The pedestal die table design allows the operator to punch angle iron leg down. For increased longevity, the 4-sided flat bar shear blades and angle shear blades are made of precision machined, high-quality tool steel, perfect for shearing up to 10-inch wide flat bar steel. Designed to shear both thick and thin angle iron, the angle shear blades include 2 cutting radiuses. Operator-friendly, the 50-ton is standard with an electric foot pedal with integrated jog control. The 48-inch auto-cut accessory automatically cycles the ironworker, increasing productivity on repeatable cuts. The dedicated coper notcher is capable of taking notches ranging from a small corner to large notches out of plate steel or angle iron, and includes specially designed guarding for quick and clean 45-degree notches. Edwards Ironworkers have ANSI compliant guarding and ETL certified controls. The exclusive PowerLink system makes the Edwards 50-ton Ironworker a power source that will boost your shop's ability to get more done. Simply plug in and power up any of our PowerLink Hydraulic Tools, which instantly expands your shop's capabilities. So what are you waiting for? Inquire today to learn more about any of our industry-leading Edwards Ironworkers with the exclusive PowerLink system. Edwards Ironworker. Build your legend.